If you're into understated design from an expensive brand, then you might be interested in this phone. It looks like your usual Huawei Mate 10 Pro, but peer closer and you'll see a familiar logo. This is the version from Porsche Design, a company that's been a longtime collaborator with Huawei on phones. The detailing here is really subtle, with just the Porsche Design logo on the front below the screen and a faint P on the back. The finish and details also differ between the two phones, but only a very little bit. This isn't meant to be flashy, it's meant to be understated and elegant. That said, your wallet will definitely know the difference. The regular Mate 10 Pro will sell in the US for $800. The iPhone 10, for example, sells for about $1,000. You want to guess how much this guy will set you back? More! It costs $1,225 when it goes on sale, and it can be yours sometime in mid-February from Amazon, Best Buy, Microsoft, and Huawei's own website. Or, you could just motor on down to a Porsche store near you and pick it up that way.